What is up, everybody? Casper Trader here with another video today. Today, I'm going to tell you guys why you shouldn't trade options unless you do a certain thing, alright? So, as you can see, I lost 60% of my portfolio today. I was at around $511, and now I lost over half of it, 60% of it, on one option that I decided to buy. I bought 5 contracts of the TQQQ option. It started showing a reversal, and I bought it at the peak right here because I thought it was going to go back up. Well, guess what? Just like stocks, they're always against you. Yeah, just always your luck. So I bought it in around here when it was starting to reverse back up. I'm like, this is going to be an easy day trade. Well, guess what? It wasn't. And it fell back down way lower than expected. So the only thing here I'm hoping for is if you drew like a straight support line, like from here to here to here, then you'd see that usually the stock price would bounce around this area. That's why I bought it. But I'm just going to have to wait till tomorrow, and hopefully, crossing my fingers, I'm not going to lose all of my money on this option because I put in like $350, and what I have right now is like about $140. So, yeah, I put in more, over 400. Yeah. So basically, don't trade options. Here's the tip. Don't trade options. This is what I learned from trading options so far. This is my lesson. Don't trade options unless first you set a stop loss. Like, even if it doesn't let you, like, I don't think Robinhood lets you set a stop loss for options. Let me see really quick. I mean, you can. Once it goes up to a certain price, you can make it sell. But it's better to do it manually, obviously, because you can see if it's, like, trending up. You don't want to lose money, you know? So basically, and be strong about it. Like, if it starts falling, don't be like, oh, maybe it'll go back up, because it's probably going to keep falling. That's what I did. So, so basically, lesson learned, set a stop loss. That's the first key. And second thing is only allow yourself to spend a certain amount of money on the option you're trading. So let's say, because options are way more riskier than regular stocks, so you can lose all your money really quick or gain a lot of money really quick. So basically, what I'm setting for myself right now, well, after I make this money back, hopefully this option goes up tomorrow, and hopefully, I mean, I'm expecting it to do so. So, basically, I want this, my goal would be to only spend, like, set a certain amount, like, that you're willing to spend on options. Like, I'm only willing to spend an amount of $100 trading options. No matter what happens, I'm only going to use $100 to trade options. So it doesn't end up like here. So I started buying options. I was like, oh, it started falling. I'm going to buy more options. I'm going to buy more. And it just kept falling. And that didn't help because I just put more money in it and I lost more money. Basically, those are the 2 key tips. All right. So recap is set a stop loss. If it's like a mental stop loss, because sometimes you don't really have stop losses here. Yeah. All right. So a stop loss. And second of all, you should only allow yourself to spend a certain amount of money on options. You don't want to go risk all of your money, put it all in, and then hope for the best, because you're probably going to lose most of it. So don't do that. Don't be me. And lesson learned here today, don't trade options unless I do those 2 things. Yes, that's basically it. So I was planning to trade DGAS. I was planning to buy it last night, and it went up 6% today. I would have made profit, but I have finals now, and I don't want to think about stocks during finals. So after finals, I started trading options. Yeah, so basically, right now, my only plans are to get rid of this option once it goes back up. I'm actually planning for it to go back to up to like 100. I mean, I'm sorry, to a $1.20, $1.25 level. Because TQQQ is showing that it's gonna uptrend, and I bought this for December 28th, and right now it's like December 20, I don't know, it's Wednesday, alright? It's like December 21st. Basically, I'm waiting to get rid of this option, which is expiring like tomorrow or something. Yeah, I think it's expiring Friday. Oh no, maybe, whatever. I'm gonna get rid of it so it doesn't expire worthless, and my SPXL option I'm also gonna get rid of. I lost a crap ton of money on these stocks, so don't be me and only allow yourself to put a certain amount of money into options, alright? So, lesson learned right here. I'm down to $200 now. Gonna make my way back up. probably trading options because I got addicted to them. I like the big gains and big losses that you can make from them. But once I get back to around my $500 point, I'm only gonna allow myself to like spend a certain amount of money. Right now, I'm probably gonna still let myself like spend 100, but then I'm gonna switch more over to regular stocks so I don't spend it all and miss it, just like I did right now. So that's my lesson learned. Don't be Casper and lose 60% of your portfolio in one day by trading options and not setting a stop loss and putting too much money into them, more than I can afford to lose. Alright, so that's all. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe because it really helps my videos a lot. If you could just like and subscribe and tell a friend about my channel, that'd be amazing. And that's all. Thanks for watching and wish you luck tomorrow in the stock market.